In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell standing lateral raise. So this works the side of your shoulders, the side of the deltoids, and the first thing I want you to do is bring your feet hip width apart. Now, if you've got really heavy weights, what you might want to do in this position is just bend the knees slightly to take a little bit of pressure off your lower back when you do the repetitions. Otherwise, you can keep the knees completely straight. Now, from this position, what I'm going to do is bring my shoulders back. A lot of people naturally have rounded shoulders. Pinch those shoulder blades together. And from this position, what I want you to do is bring the dumbbells away from your body until your wrists are in line with your shoulders and slowly control the weight back down. Before you bring the weights up, I want you to squeeze your core as hard as you can. Bring the weights up. Again, wrists in line with shoulders and slowly back down to your start position. When you're doing your repetitions, make sure that your back is nice and neutral. You're not flexing over or you're not extending too much during your repetitions. Now, lastly, when you're doing the repetitions, the elbows are not completely straight. There's what's called a soft bend in the elbow. All that means is there's a very slight bend in the elbow as you're bringing the weights away from your body and back down. That's how to do the dumbbell lateral raise exercise, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.